Devolo have just sent me through a mesh Wi-Fi system to try out. I've been having a lot of problems with my Wi-Fi in an outbuilding, so I was looking to use a powerline adapter and to get Wi-Fi outside. They sent me through their mesh system, which is working really well. I set it up a few days ago and I've been doing some speed tests and it's worked really well. The instructions are very straightforward. I would suggest reading through the pamphlet from obviously the beginning, read the whole thing, because there's a few different ways you can set them up. I found the manual configuration, which is in the back of the booklet, to be very straightforward, but you can also download an app. So downloading the app was pretty straightforward. All you need to do is scan the little barcode. You'll go over, it'll open in Chrome or your browser, and you can just get the app, and it'll give you a walkthrough of how to set it up. It's very straightforward. I've positioned them around my house and no problem at all. I then went and took some tests and found that the speeds had increased really well and I didn't have any dead spots anymore. With the normal Wi-Fi system, the signal will get worse as it gets further away from the router. So the way this system works is it's a powerline adapter. So when you plug your adapters in around your home, it actually uses the electrical system, the hard wiring for your sockets to transmit the signal. But the other benefit to the units is they output a Wi-Fi signal as they go along. So if you used it over 3 floors of a house and your router was downstairs, you'd have a Wi-Fi signal that was nice and strong. It would then transmit along the powerline adapter to the next unit, which would produce the Wi-Fi signal again, and then on the top as well. So you get a whole home good Wi-Fi, which I found my building is outside the house, so I put one of these powerline adapters outside as well. So you get 3 units with this system. I'll put some links in the description below. Devolo have got a very good website and you can go through all the different applications of their products. So go over to Devolo. I'll also put some links out to where you can buy the system that I've used. So yeah, it's a very straightforward system and I highly recommend it.